In the city of Ilagan, excellence is not just a standard, it is a commitment to the heart. Guided by the Big Heart Project, Ilagan's Integrated SPED Center continues to embrace the unique brilliance of every learner with special needs. Today, we look back at a year of milestones, challenges overcome, and the unwavering spirit of inclusion. From the specialized classroom to the community, our learners are proving that with a big heart, there are no limits to what they can achieve. Our school accomplishment report is a testament to holistic growth. This year, we are proud to share that we saw a 15% increase in our learner enrollment as more families in the city of Ilagan trust us with their children's future. But we didn't just grow in numbers, we grew in excellence. We recorded a 20% improvement in the mastery of essential life skills among our learners, alongside a 12% increase in successful transitions to inclusive mainstream settings. From the specialized classroom to the community, our learners are proving that with a big heart, there are no limits to what they can achieve. The journey isn't without its hurdles. We identified critical gaps in sustaining consistent behavioral interventions between the school and the home environment. But through the power of collaboration and decisive resolutions, we didn't just see problems, we built bridges. Our commitment to resolving CIGPs ensured that no learner was left in the shadows. Transparency fuels our progress. Through the Program Support Fund or PSF, we have strategically invested in comprehensive medical and developmental assessments, ensuring that each learner receives a professional diagnosis to guide their specialized instruction. Every peso spent was a seed planted for the future of our learners, providing the scientific foundation they need to thrive. Innovation is the heartbeat of our curriculum. This year, Ilagan's Integrated SPED Center introduced the Addressing the Learning Gaps of the Autism Spectrum Disorder Learners through Project Quazzle. By tailoring our teaching strategies to the diverse sensory and cognitive needs of our students, we have transformed the classroom into a laboratory of possibilities. Because, for a big heart, standard is never enough. As we look toward our 2026 implementation plan, our path is clearer than ever. By utilizing a significant portion of our fund for comprehensive medical and developmental assessments, we have moved beyond guesswork. We now have the precise blueprints needed to tailor our interventions to the unique biological and cognitive needs of every learner. Transparency fuels our progress. Through the Program Support Fund or PSF, we have strategically invested in comprehensive medical and developmental assessments, ensuring that each learner receives a professional diagnosis to guide their specialized instruction. Every peso spent was a seed planted for the future of our learners, providing the scientific foundation they need to thrive. Moving forward, we will translate these medical insights into individualized education plans that are more robust and data-driven. Our goal is to sustain our 15% enrollment growth while ensuring that our 20% improvement in skill mastery becomes the new baseline for excellence. We are the Ilagan's Integrated SPED Center, anchored on the Big Heart Project. We remain committed to being inspired by God's special gifts. Together with the school's division of the city of Ilagan, we don't just teach, we transform. The journey continues.